Stoll, take that kick.
Yeah, well, that was close.
Madison
So
Stoll,
you
take
had
the
right
kick.
idea. You really trying to get it with your hands.
Clear it out of there, Stoll. Clear it out. Audrey, cheat over a little bit. You got number 8 in front of you. But watch 14 behind you.
Come on, girls. Stay on that. Come on, Jada, shoot. Good job, Summer. Keep that down.
Come on, Jen, it's yours. Go get it.
Talk to each other. Gotta move to that.
Let's go, girls. Let's go, Sasha. Oh, yeah, you'll go back in. You'll play the whole thing.
Come on, Sloan, get in there. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Go, Georgia, get in there. Go, Georgia.
Get to it, Olivia. Let's go, Olivia. Hey, midfielders, get back. Okay, goal kick.
Went out.
All right, Olivia.
Okay, Jen, move up a little bit. Audrey on 14.
Good job. Pull out and up.
Right there, Ashley on her.
Pushing and kick.
Okay,
Come over here,
move up.
to the line.
Jennifer, you gotta move up. You gotta get in there.
Cross that line, so
We
get
can't let
real
this ball
close
out,
to the line.
okay? Jennifer,
Pull
watch
out
the ball.
this way. Kendall, come and help this way.
Get in there, Jen.
Hey, Jada.
All the way to the left.
Jada, you got to get back, babe. Come on.
Across.
Let it clear the box, Gracie. Let it clear the box.